Reminder. Good evening, everybody. Just a quick reminder. How are you? Good evening, everybody. Just a quick reminder. How are you doing? Wherever you're watching this video from. Hello, everybody, right here on YouTube. How are you people doing? How are you guys doing? Is everything okay with you? Talk to me. I'm ready to read your comments, and please like the video. Like the video, bring in the comment. Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Hello. All right. You know what is happening? I've passed where they are working on the road. They're making the road, and these guys are just saying, "Hey, Bwana, Bwana." So that's what is happening. Okay. Yeah, guys. Just a quick reminder. Are you aware that next week your exams will start? Okay. So the exams are starting next week for those people who are writing their GCE. And I know much of the people who follow me right here, they are engaged or they'll be writing GCE this year. Okay, so next week it's GCE. And the good part is that for a good number of you who've been struggling with mathematics, please be reminded that there'll be a program, okay, for the people who've been struggling with mathematics. There'll be a program, and we'll tell you how much that program will be. So the teaching there, it will be specifically to cater things that do come in an exam. So we'll be starting, yeah, I'm talking about mathematics. We'll be starting at 18 all the way to the following day. So you're just learning, going through things, forcing you to pass. If you are that person who've been saying no, mathematics is difficult, this time around you'll be forced to pass. We'll share with you how the program will be, so just be ready. Next week, that's when we'll start that program. So it will be every day up until you write your exams. This year we don't want to record failing. Okay, we don't want to have people who fail their mathematics. So that's how it will be. The program will be shared with you guys. It will be shared with you on how you can be part of that program. And I can assure you that please keep the date. Monday next week, we start the program. Okay? Monday next week, we start the program. It's a special program to just boost those people who are not ready. So let me just pick this call. Hello. Good evening. I'm all, thank you. How are you too? Okay. I'm live right now on YouTube, so I'll attend to you, or just call me after 30 minutes. I'll be off. Sure. So that's it, guys. So this program will be very interesting. Okay, a good number of people will benefit from it, and yeah, I'm pretty sure you benefit. So start preparing yourselves for the program, as it will be there to help you or to boost you and give you that confidence of writing the exams, because much of the things that will be talked about, it will be things to do with what will come in an exam. I'm not saying I'll give you a leakage, but we'll give you things that will be closer to what will come in an exam. So don't miss out. I know if there is, who joined last year, the way this program is, they can assure you that really it's a very good program, okay, as it some great information which you can apply in your exam. So that's it, guys. So now let's just talk about the same exam that you'll be writing, and we share some of the things that you have to stick to. in order for you to get a good grade. So I'll pose this question to everybody who is watching. I'll be reading some of the comments which people are bringing up so that we can advise each other on how we can do this best and pass the exam. Okay, so what are some of the things, guys? You know, there is the period between now and when the first paper will be written is very short. So next week, exams will be on. So what are some of the encouragements or advice that you can give somebody who is preparing? What are they supposed to do as now? So I'll be reading the comments. So even you guys, you should be reading the comments so that we get to encourage and also guide each other. Okay, it's not only me who can say that, but even you guys who are watching, you can advise. Some of you have got experience, you've gone through this. So what is it that somebody who's preparing for the exam, not just mathematics, there are quite a number of subjects. So I'll be reading your comments. You can bring them in. Let's have this discussion. We encourage that brother or sister who is thinking of giving up. So what is, or what are some of the things that should be put into consideration? So guys, if we are very interested in this, keep on following the comments so that we get to learn one or two things. So in the next maybe 5 minutes, we'll talk about some of the things that we need to do, or those people preparing for their exams in that the period which is remaining is short, what they're supposed to do. So what is it that they're supposed to do in order for them to get good grades? You know what I'm talking about. Hi, Joseph, how are you? So I'm reading out the comments so you can type. I know people are typing, and you can read. So please don't mind. Some of the comments might be provocative, but don't mind them. Let's just get what is positive and apply to what, or the situation that we are in, or you are in if you're preparing for your exam. So I'll be reading. How are you, Bright? I'm okay. How are you too? That's good. I'm great. So guys, you can be bringing the comments, and we have a chat about that. Okay, so what else? Hi, how are you, sir? Ernest, I'm good. How are you too, Ernest? Okay, so you can see comments are coming. Frida's posted that comment. Okay, so that's force study. You can see, so comments are coming through, and I'm encouraging you to read and pick what is in line with what you'll be doing. Okay, it's you know, sharing is caring. That's what you say, isn't it? So whatever is close to what you're looking for, you can get from the comments. The people, most of the people who are bringing those comments, they've got experience. They've experienced this before. So even you, okay, even you, uh, even you can benefit from the comments which they are bringing in. Okay, so don't mind the kind of comments that are coming through. Just focus on the positive. Don't mind the negative comments. Focus on the positive comments. Okay, I know I've been through this situation where you find you're not ready and you'll be writing your exams, or you are preparing. There are even people who have been studying, they've been studying, but they even know everything. But that day of writing exams, I don't know what enters in people's minds. They start forgetting what they've been preparing. So what could be the encouragement to anybody who is preparing for GCE 2025 this year, and they'll be writing? I hope you're able to see that. So let me just pick up this as you guys are bringing in your comments. Hello, good evening. Yes, I'm well, thank you. How are you too? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, if it's that, yeah, just call me after this live broadcast, and then I'll give you the proper program if you want to be part of that program, which I was talking about. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Just call me after 30 minutes. So guys, I hope you're able to see the comments which are coming through. So take keen interest in reading those comments and also understand the things that you are supposed to do in order for you to make it in this 2025 GCE. Okay, so regardless of the subject that you are writing, you may get one or two things out of this. And you know how it is, guys. You need to avoid panicking. What kills most of the people is panicking. Don't panic. And please, you know, it may look like this, a little bit strange. And when I say this, because I've got experience, I've experienced you that you may even catch up within a week, in case you didn't know. Within a week, mostly mathematics, within a week, you can catch up. Regardless, you're being or you're engaging yourself or you're being taught by people who understand, and they understand your situation that you're about to write your exams. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it. So let's avoid fear. That's one thing. And also be positive about yourself. Be positive about yourself. Just say, I'll make it. Much of the things that we tend to fail, it's not because we're down. It's because of how we think about ourselves. Simply because somebody said, you fail. And you just say, us, we can't do that. We can't do that. No, it's not like that. So avoid fear and also be positive about yourself. If you love what you do, you will make it. So just love what you'll be writing. That's the exam. You'll be writing your exam. So love the exam that you'll be writing. And then I can assure you that you will make it. If you love what you'll be doing, what you're doing, or what you'll be writing, you'll make it. But if you start saying, if we no, us will fail, us will do this, it will not work with you. Okay, so let's just keep on pushing. Like who is this one? Humphrey said, keep on pushing, love what you're doing, avoid negative thoughts about yourself, and also the exam that you'll be writing. Okay, and also avoid being found with people who have that negative spirit. There are people who always talk negative about what you're about to start doing. For example, okay, there's something that I wanted to do. I shared with a friend, I'm about to do this ABCD. The advice I was given was that, no, this thing can't work out because I saw that person didn't do this ABCD, all those things. You know what I told myself? I just said, no, I'll do it. And this is the end. I'll never share this with this guy because it's negative. What I was expecting was a positive advice. Like, okay, it's a good idea, but you can do ABCD so that it goes like that. You understand? Not the advice that, no, that one failed, even you are going to fail. No, doesn't work like that, guys. Doesn't work like that. It's up to you yourself, how you feel about yourself. Okay, and mostly just be positive about yourself. Just be positive about yourself. That's all. That's it, guys. All right, thank you so much. I think I've talked about a lot of things. I think I have to go now since I've talked about a lot of things, and hope you take this as an advice to yourself. And please keep the calendar. Keep the date on the calendar. Circle it. That very soon next week we'll announce the program that will help you get good marks in your exam. Good marks. Okay, so don't miss when you just hear about this program. We'll announce the date on Monday. Let me just say next week we'll announce when this program will start so that you can be guided. This is not a time you need to be failing, guys. This is a time to make it. This is a time to do great things. This is a time to focus and be positive. Okay, so we'll come and share with you what you need to do and some of the things that you need to look at, because the things that we share, mostly you meet them in an exam. We're not saying we'll give you a leakage. It's not a leakage, but we've got that experience of sharing positive things. Okay, we just tell you, okay, This is how you do this. Touch ABC. Go and look at this. Let's do this. We even show you on how to do what we're talking about so that you get to have that confidence and do it like a pro. Okay. Do you offer mathematics form 1? Definitely, we do have mathematics form 1. It's there. We do have. And anytime soon, maybe tomorrow or over the weekend, I'll be posting one of the exam questions on in mathematics form 1, so that I think it will be the first YouTube to post the form 1 new syllabus mathematics paper. So you see how questions in mathematics for the form 1s will be. So just be on the lookout and follow me on Facebook as well, because I post things on Facebook as well as TikTok. We are there, Jacob Sichamba Online Math. Thank you, guys. I think I've answered your questions. I don't know if there's any question before I go, because I'm about to go. Any question that I can answer for you? Is there any question that you'd like me to? Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for coming through and listening. Okay, grade 12. Okay, so is there any question? So let me just answer about 10 questions, and after that we call it a day. And if you'd like to get in touch with me, if you've not yet gotten in touch with me or JS Learning Academy, you can get in touch with us on 0969 17 5701. You can call or WhatsApp. We'll be able to attend to you. So I'm repeating, the number is 0969 17 5701. The other number, which is Airtel, is 0974 63 20 97. Airtel 0974 63 20 97. Hopefully, you've gotten one or two things out of this. When are we learning functions? Join our online classes. You will be helped with that. Okay? So we've gotten the numbers. That's the first question. Safe journey. Thank you so much. I'm just within my wood. It's not very far. I'm just near my place here. So I just wanted to have a chat with you. It's not, when are we learning statistics? Oh, very soon, guys. You want statistics? Very soon. Join our online classes. We'll definitely get to have that and be helped in those areas. So I've done 2. Okay, so let me park here so that I read comments well. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you, sir, and everybody for the advice. I appreciate, and I will try to do that. Thank you so much, Alice. Hopefully that will help. Hi. So if you're calling me, I know people are calling me. If you're calling me, I won't pick now. I'll pick as soon as I cut this live broadcast. Hi there. And I hope this is the last time I... Okay, I'm trying to connect. In my life, I am confident that you can be the most beautiful and I can be... Mali, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, still, I like your teaching and a lot you are the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jesper. Thank you so much. Any promotion, old members? Jacob, you want the promotion? I've given you. How much, Jacob, do you want to pay so that I give you? I know you're in my online classes. So how much do you want to be given? Thank you, sir. I will try very hard before I write my GC. Oh, thank you so much, Samuel. Okay. Hi, how are you? Rhoda, I'm okay. Hi, you good? What else? So let me just read 2 more and then I go. Okay, what else? When are we learning probability? Okay, come through in the online classes, we'll teach you. Okay. Okay, sir, I do understand very well and I am grateful. Thank you so much, Shanda. I think now this is the time I have to go, guys. I've reached my place. Thank you so much. You've been for being with me on this live broadcast, and I expect to see you in our online classes. Thank you, and bye-bye. God bless you.